Introduce short overview of Martha Stewart 3-cup electric food chopper, vegetable and herb mini food processor, 24 ounces BPA-Free bowl, stainless steel blades, pour spout, dicing, mincing, chop and puree, dishwasher safe, linen. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helps you answer the question, is it worth buying? In YouTube's description it is a prominent feature. We are suggest some features. If you want Martha Stewart 3-cup electric food chopper more details and / or features, descriptions, or full reviews, please visit the link in part of YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.